Hello friend, today we make a bottle logo design concept. So now let's start now. Here is a bottle and we type tools bottle and adjust the bottle of tea. Now we delete the tea and copy the bottle and replace the bottle in tea. Select the right typography to looks a bottle like effect. Here is a many typography. We have selected for looks better. I think this is not better looks. Select again. I think this is looks a perfect. First number बहुत सा difference. Yes, this is the light looks effect in model concepts. Adjust the height and distance and fill the color of background and send to the back and fill the white color with type and adjust the background. I think this is looks better. Now we have saved this bottle logo concept. How this looks? Please like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.